The HC-W100 air compressor boasts powerful performance and flexible configuration. It delivers a displacement of up to 100 liters per minute, providing a standard working pressure of 225 bar, with a 330 bar high-pressure version available as an option. Utilizing 3-stage compression technology, it offers high efficiency and stability. The drive system employs a 3-phase 380 volts 50 Hz motor with aerated power of 3 kilowatts, approximately 3 horsepower, and aerated speed of 2,300 revolutions per minute. Weighing only 48 kilograms, the compact unit measures 68 centimeters in length, 40 centimeters in width, and 43 centimeters in height. It features a G5 8-inch air supply interface, supports manual shutdown, and can be upgraded to automatic shutdown. The HC-W100 provides reliable power to meet diverse needs.